The commonest question asked to me, especially when I operate in a tier 1 city, so the way people are very open about their love life and sexual life, and the commonest question asked by the spouses is when we can resume our love life. And that is all where our modern techniques come in place. The mini MIS incision, saving the muscles, doing 3D robotics and allied stuff. Resuming the sex life according to our experience with the modern implants, the newest MIS techniques that we do with the robotics and selection of the right implant to the right patient, it should not be more than a month. So you can resume your love life with ease after a month, after a good hip replacement surgery.